Hi, I'm Chef Pushkar Marathe, chef and co-owner of Star's Kitchen and Bar in Palm Beach Gardens. I'm preparing Niman Ranch Iberian Duroc pork done Jamaican jerk style. Event benefits World Central Kitchen. All the proceeds are going to go to World Central Kitchen and James Beard Foundation.
My name is Lojo, Washington from Queen of Sheeba. I'm preparing kitfo. That's a traditional beef tartare with Ethiopian spices.
Hi, I'm Rick Mace from Tropical Smokehouse in West Palm Beach, and today I'll be preparing a smoked cobia collar with a pit-cooked yam potato salad and pickled red onion.
Hey, my name's Jeremy Bearman, and from Oceano Kitchen in Lantana, Florida. And we're making today a Nantucket Bay scallop crudo with American sturgeon caviar, some chive, lemon, and brown butter.
Hi, I'm Chef Cindy Bearman, co-chef with Jeremy Bearman. Today I am doing the dessert course, which is a chocolate, banana, and walnut cake layered with chocolate malted ganache, a tahini crisp, and a date cream.